I am at Dave & Buster's in Philadelphia right now, and I decided to go to the second level parking lot, and here are 3 American Standard Silver Series air conditioners. They're all lined up on the side over here. Very interesting install too, for sure. There's the disconnect boxes, and there are the line sets right there. Yeah, there they go. Those right here. Very interesting installs. Just wanted to make a quick video of these. First time seeing an American Standard. Enjoyed the video. Over and out.